Hey guys, Czar here, joining you very quickly, watching the Dow here, looking to enter a short right below this candle if it closes in that fresh zone. We'll see. I'm just going over to my own platform here, setting up my own order, getting ready for this sell stop right now, guys. Sell stop limit right now. Live order. I prefer a bigger bottom wick and we're getting a bit of a top wick now, but given the time of the day, I'm okay with taking this risk right here, guys. Right here. This is not my actual stop. I'm going to tell you what it is here. I just need to look at my own brackets here on my platform and I'll tell you. I just wanted to show you the trade idea here and we'll get the details down. Watching. Let's bring in the 1 minute here. Getting ready now, guys. Flipping down. Here we go. Flipping down. Yeah, looking for 50 points on this one if we get taken in. Starting off as a 1-to-1, more or less. 0.93, close enough. But I'll manage this along the way. As a matter of fact, that is not my... That's my stop there. So I'll size on this. Excuse me. Excuse my throat, guys. I'm struggling with the very dry air in here. That'll change when it gets warmer outside. No longer have to have the heating on, which will happen soon. Watching. Alright guys, I'll put you on pause for now, and we'll see if this thing comes back and takes us in. Alright, pause. Alright guys, we're back here. A few minutes have passed. You can see that we're still very much in retracement mode here, but I'm going to keep this order open, keep it live. And if we do drop down, I still want to be in this. So the trade idea remains intact for now. And I'm going to put you back on pause again. I just want to give you an update as to what we're looking at here. Alright, pause. Alright guys, just got tagged in on that in my platform. Double check my brackets, make sure I'm sized properly, and here we go. And driving down a little bit now on that break. May or may not last, given that there are probably some stops underneath that thing right there. Other traders looking to do the same or similar type of thing. So just to be clear, this is a zone break trade, right? We're in a range here. rallied up into all the way through pre-Asia last night, and then all the way through Asia, all the way through London, ranged for the mid to second part of London, and now into the overlap period. That means London and UK and Europe and the North America markets are all open at the same time right here, where these candles are being formed as we speak still for the next half an hour to an hour or so, at which point London closes. And now dropping down, so break and close into a fresh zone, a prior zone, and then a little, a nice wake up, and now breaking below. It's not working out for me yet. I'm gonna give this thing some time to work, and we'll see how it goes from here. All right, I'll put you back on pause for now. We're back. A few minutes have passed. Now we're driving down a little bit here. Let's see how far we can take this thing. Really struggling to move today. The markets, that is. It's messy. These are the three sisters. NASDAQ on the left. S&P in the middle. Dow on the right. All three are now trading below the New York Open. That's that red line there. NASDAQ, of course, holding up the most. And now all three of them showing a little bit of weakness, but of course the Dow, the one we're in, is probably holding up the best. The one that I'm short. But we'll keep an eye on this now. I'm sitting at break even on this trade. I'll put you on pause so you don't have to sit through the grind, and I'll bring you back. Pause. Alright guys, I just realized I've just been talking to you for the last few minutes here as we've been driving down, and I realized that I had it on pause. So that's a little frustrating, but as you can see, we're driving down here. I was talking about risk to reward ratios and things of that nature. Anyway, not that important. I talk about them on lots of videos, but we're driving down here, guys. As you can see, just a reminder, this is a zone break trade. A zone break. I know I already explained that to you a little bit earlier on. It was many minutes ago, of course, for me, but for you just a few seconds ago because I had it on pause. But driving down here. Going to be very patient with this. Amateur trader would take profits now, just to lock in a sure thing, because we are programmed to take the sure win. That's just evolutionary psychology, but it does not work in trading. Holding out here for 50 points, guys. 50 points on this one. Being super patient. Some buying coming in now. Take a look at the three sisters. As I mentioned earlier, well, to my group anyway, the three sisters have been very, very messy, showing a messy picture. More congruency now in terms of movement. But you'll notice that the NASDAQ, for instance, is holding up a lot more than the others. So now we need, or what I need, is for this to tap the 20 and then turn back down and make the move. Not sure that's going to happen now. This looks like some concerted buying here at the London Open. You see the Dow here? This is the one that we're in, or what I'm in. And you'll see that there's some buying coming up at the London Open from this morning. That's that white line you see there. I'll bring in the one from the S&P too so you can see it consistently. NASDAQ way down here. Stay with us for now. There it is, rounding over a little bit. Just needing it to push down. Just brought the 20 EMA onto this slide so we can, or this monitor, so we can see. It's the actual entry right there. Right there, so I want to mark that where I actually entered, just for accuracy. All right, she's toying with me a little bit here. It's okay. Patience. One of the hardest things in trading for most traders is just to sit and not touch things, just to wait for the idea to play out. Very difficult. It is for me too, after all these years, 3.5 decades or so. Patience. One more big push here to bring us to the promised land. And we're done, guys. Nice work. Thanks for joining me, guys. 50 points on that one. It's 1.25 or 1.22 R. And we will talk to you soon, guys. Have an amazing day. Hope to see you this afternoon with some more trades. Take care.